they did what?
They carried the palm fruits.
Hey! God! Who they did what, Ada? Don't.
Brother, calm down! Brother, come here!
Where is that witch? Come out here! You have touched the tiger by the tail. Come out!
Look at this bat. So you have the guts to shout my name and call me a witch. Have you no respect?
Respect? You don't deserve a single respect from me. Where is the bag of palm fruits you took against my will and wish? You better bring them out. Else, everything so in this house will join my parents and my sister's 2 suitors you killed with your juju.
So you still believe that I killed your parents?
From all indications, you killed them. Just to take over the land plantations, and you have started implementing the plans you hatched. Which?
May our mother strike you deaf and dumb by insinuating that we killed your parents. My own brother. Killing my brother? Why?
I did not come here to trade words with 2 of you. Are you hearing me? I did not come here to trade words with the 2 of you. Go in there and bring those pamphlets.
I can see you're a very stubborn young man. You dare me? Udene, the granddaughter of Udene. I will teach you a lesson you will never forget.
What have you devilish man come here to do? What do you want?
Is that the way idiots like you greet their uncles?
What do you expect? Evil to greet you with a resounding ovation. The scoundrel that killed his only brother just to take possession of his palm plantation.
Well, I'm not here to give you any listening here because I can see the drugs you've been taking have taken a big toll on you. Big toll.
Uncle, you have just 2 minutes to leave this compound. You think I don't know, Uncle? Oh, congratulations. Over the laudable achievement of killing your only brother just to take possession of his palm plantation. You are evil. Get out of here before I lose my patience.
Do you know my mission here? Very simple. For your own sake, for your dear life, never step your feet on that parcel of land again. That palm plantation, do not ever go there.
Uncle,
you go there, trouble.
What did you just say?
The thing you had now, that's what I said.
Did I hear you well?
Down. This 5.5 million check for now, for the business.
Why is the money low?
Well, I expected before, I didn't get it for you. Now I need fresh breast, age of 20 to 25. Young features.
You need young girls.
Yes, of course.
Breasts and pussy. Confirm this. I thought we were doing good.
No, we tried before. We tried it last time, but I need more improvement from you. This is business.
Boss? Positive. Okay. We'll give you the next consignment.
Okay.
Fresh, young girls, private parts, breasts, pussy.
What did my father do to his killers? My mother is gone. Now my father has joined her. So Obidiki and I are now orphans. Just like that. Oh.
One thing is certain. God fights for his children. I am sure at the appointed time, those killers must be exposed.
Yes, God will definitely expose those that killed you and your two suitors. Adam, please take heart. God is in control. Okay? Stop crying.
Adam, you should stop crying, okay? Enough is enough. The demise of your father, I know it's a painful one. Between you and I. It's my obligation to take good care of your brother and yourself. Because I want to make your father happy in the grave.
How are you doing?
I'm very well.
How's market?
We thank God. Market is moving.
I'm done now. You are here?
Yes. Do you want to buy apple?
No, we're just going for the elders meeting and I want to buy a few things here. So you said we just saw you and I want to say hi.
Oh, okay, uncle. No problem. It's fine.
How is your uncle? You call him your uncle. How is he?
We're fine. I'm managing. I'm okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, uncle.
Brother,
Hope the case is fine. Yes.
Okay, I will. Thank you.
Shut up! Guys, good job. Good job. Yeah. Quiet! Good job, guys. I'm impressed. I want you to cut their private box. Okay? Sure. Snappy. Omega is waiting for me. I have to deliver it today. Yes. I can see the melting money from me.
Yeah. Boss, we'll do just that.
That's right. Nonsense.
Quiet, Thomas.
I'm really tired of that moment.
Auntie Woodley! Where is that thing from my car here? Hey! I said it! I knew it must be her! Let her come out!
Obonu, why are you ranting and rattling like a demented fool?
Me Amadioha, me Odeke Ozaba, me Iya Fama Koya strike you with epilepsy that you can never kill till you die for calling me a fool. So, you granddaughter of Udele carried out your threats. You killed my father, you killed my mother, and you have taken over our palm plantation. You know what? I will use the last drop of my blood and I will fight you and your evil husband, and I will make sure that all of you are demystified.
Oh, you see all that insult about your land gods and all that, back to sender, back to you too. I killed my father, I killed my mother. Are you acting Chinese movie? You will demystify me? Eh? Me, Mudele, the granddaughter of Mudele. Are you joking? But let me tell you something. If a child pursues what killed its father, that thing that killed its father would surely kill that child.
And it will kill you first! It will kill you first! Anyway, I did not come here to trade words with a scoundrel like you! Don't! Madam, stay out of this. I will not let them take over my father's inheritance.
Please mind your language.
Ada, I rather die.
But you're already dead.
And you will join me. What gave you the guts to step your feet into that palm plantation and have faced against my will and wish?
I took back what belongs to me. Your tenancy has expired.
Look at this woman. Have you lost your memory? Tenancy on our own land, Ada. Have you forgotten that that land was given to my father by my grandfather as a compensation of taking care of him when he was sick? So where were you and your husband when your father-in-law was sick? Where were you?
Oscar. Oh, so you know this much. Ooh.
Ada, not much drama in the evening service. Push the wheelbarrow, let us go. Go and push the wheelbarrow, let us go. Go and do what I asked you to do. Let's go. Push the wheelbarrow, let's go. Push it.
I know why I'm giving you. It's because you have a knife. It's because you have a knife.
You.
Drop the knife now. Let me teach you a lesson.
You.
Drop the knife.
You know that.
Nani.
Don't mind the woman.
I don't know.
Don't mind her. I will deal with you and your husband. Okay, for you, I
don't nonsense. I will get you people. I will come after you. Drop the knife. Let me teach you.
This Yam and Akara business is really growing.
My sister, we thank God.
We thank God.
You said you want 15 naira potato?
Yes, but yes, mix it with potato.
You like food. See how fat you are, you're still looking for potato.
Oh my God.
This one is enough.
Ujara now.
Abigail, you want to follow this business, Abi?
I want to.
This one is enough.
Please,
what else do you want?
The akara is not ready.
No, the akara is not ready. Auntie, no. The akara will be ready, okay? Then as already as.
Alright.
Please, make sure you come back for it.
Even this night, people coming back.
See your size. Your size, you're still
you know, this one will not be enough for me.
Brother, welcome. You want yam? Yam.
Fine girl, no people.
We have yam, we'll fry yam, hot one.
How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Young lady, I can't hide my feelings. I'm intoxicated by your beauty.
Thank you. How much yam do you want?
Pretty girls like you need not be seen burning our skin by the fireplace baking akara. How much of the akara ball is left?
Well, as you can see, the akara is not ready. What is ready is yam and potato. And what you have here is 3,000 naira worth.
Just that.
How much yam do you want?
Here's 5,000 naira. You can keep the balance for yourself.
Okay, I told you that what is here is 3,000. And I'm sorry, I can't collect the money. I don't know who you are.
A day begins a story. I can see you have good upbringing and I have good intentions for you. Time will tell. Just accept it.
don't have money. I have soup in the house, but I don't have money.
Mama, please, what do you want from me? Is it food or what?
No, I want food. I have soup in the house.
Just that? What I have here is just 4 remaining. I will give it to you.
It will be enough. It will be enough.
Okay. Just hold on.
Because we bless you. Thank you. This act of kindness you gave me, you will not be hungry. Oh, thank you.
Thank you, ma.
Oh.
Take care, oh.
Oh.
Thank you. Take it easy.
My beautiful sister.
Ada, this why you are looking so solemn. Are you okay? Ada, please, I am very tired. Can you get me some water to drink?
Okay, brother.
What is the matter?
Brother, it's nothing. It's just that Dele and 2 huge boys came here today. They carried the palm fruit we're supposed to take to the palm pressing machine.
Eh? Who they did what?
They carried the palm fruits.
Hey! God! Who they did what, Ada? Don't.
Brother, calm down! Brother, come here!
You have touched the tiger by the tail. Go out!
Look at this bat. So you have the guts to shout my name and call me a witch. Have you no respect?
Respect? You don't deserve a single respect from me. Where is the bag of palm fruits you took against my will and wish? You better bring them out. Else, everything so in this house will join my parents and my sister's 2 suitors you killed with your juju.
So you still believe that I killed your parents?
From all indications, you killed them just to take over the land plantations, and you have started implementing the plans you hatched. Which?
May our mother strike you deaf and dumb by insinuating that we killed your parents. My own brother. Killing my brother? Why?
I did not come here to trade words with 2 of you. Are you hearing me? I did not come here to trade words with the 2 of you. Go in there and bring those palm fruits.
I can see you're a very stubborn young man. You dare me? Udene, the granddaughter of Udene. I will teach you a lesson you will never forget. will strike you blind.
Bah! Move it, bah! Let's go home. Brother, you cannot see. Hey! I cannot see. I cannot see. I cannot see. Adama! I cannot see. I cannot see. Please get him out of here.
What is the meaning of this you have done?
Keep quiet.
Huh? So you are capable of doing this? That means I'm suspecting you of having a hand in the death of my brother and their mother. Huh? Hey! Where me came Bekaraka to inu Ali Bokaraka. Where me came Bekaraka to inu Ali Bokaraka. Hey, come here and explain yourself.
Here.
Who is this amorphous ignoramus disturbing the peace of the home of Alaribe? Who are you? I am. Do you get it?
I am the devouring lion, and I am known as the Dawn because I rule this universe, and no one dares me. I'm here on a mission. It's just a simple message. Restore the sight of my sons-in-law. Otherwise,
what happens?
I will spit my venom on you.
We never knew you. No relationship. If you are related, we are just hearing that. So who are you to come here to use a trick to intimidate people who can even intimidate you? Who are you to do that?
I've been standing here patiently, listening to your ranting and ravings. You know, it's obvious you don't know on whose farm.
You do not know.
You're threatened.
Yes.
Who are you? It's not Dawn.
Yes.
Listen. Have you heard of Mudele?
Mudele.
Do you know me?
I am the Odomo Odumnebuago. I am the only person that has eaten vulture's meat. So you cannot stop me. I'm giving you only one day. Just one day. Restore his sight.
Oh. That's a threat, right?
You can call it whatever you want.
You must have eaten a dead vulture.
It was a living one.
No, get out of here.
It was a living one! Just one day.
It must be a dead vulture.
Just one day!
Dead vulture, that's what it is.
I just look at you as a comedian. Take it real. Come and entertain us.
You're going on time, and I'm going to it's a come now, but you I'm one flash.
We want your entertainment. Yeah, look at that. You know what it's called? You will stop posting with the name of it.
Don't be
it's me, Abigail.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You're welcome.
How are you doing?
I'm very fine.
What about Adanna?
Adanna went to the farm with Ijoma. They went to fetch some firewood.
Obidike, I've told you to go and meet your uncle and his wife so that they can release you from this your blindness.
Abigail, you know that's not possible. There is no way you can just subject me to go to their house and beg them. That palm plantation belongs to me. That's the only thing my late father left for me before he died. I cannot leave that. I cannot be a coward even in something that belongs to me. Please, I can't do that. I have told her that I cannot do that.
What are you saying? The palm plantation you're talking about, are you able to work in it in this your condition? I've told Adanna about this. I don't know why you still don't want to meet them.
I know my uncle and his wife Mudele. They might give us a condition that we won't be able to carry out. Please, I'm begging you. Don't you just ever suggest I should go to them and beg them. I know I trust my God. One day I must surely see again.
Please, you really have to try and meet them.
Please, let's not talk about it. I want to go inside.
Just like that.
Take me inside.
Brother, sister, anything you do. Papa, mama, whatever.
I have warned you the third time. Restore Obidike's sight. I don't want to lose my life on account of your evil.
I don't like lily-livered men. And that is what you are.
Hey. Don't take me for granted. See, I am tired of being threatened by Adanna's suitors.
Oh, Adanna is about to get married again. I can see she has militants and armed robbers as husbands. I am not afraid of anybody. The granddaughter of Udemi, I am strong.
Whether you are meat or poison, I don't want to know. All I'm asking you is restore the sight of Obidike.
Hey!
What kind of rubbish is it?
See the people you're talking about. See how they are walking. Blind nonsense. Thank God you have a sister. Good afternoon.
I don't want your greetings. I have seen the ferocious dogs you sent to come and devour us. You want to call the dog? Then the other one to be Jad the hunter or whatever rubbish.
Please send everybody to you. Now deal with militants and robbers. You want them to threaten us, right? Agaracha, strong woman.
Let me tell you, when a child rises earlier than his father, death awaits him. The father will kill him. The father will definitely kill him. Look at the idiots you sent along at Dawn and the hunter, harassing me as I was coming home. What kind of rubbish is that?
I beg you. We're very sorry. My brother didn't mean to do that. Honestly, we did not send anybody to you. I warned him not to come to this place, but he didn't listen. Please, Uncle, for my sake as your only niece, help me beg Auntie to restore my brother's sight, please.
I am surprised you people are now begging. But when he came here, insulting and harassing us right in our own home, what did you do? Eh? He came here to prove to me that Obidike, not knowing that what he has is Obi no. Obi cricket. You have no Obi. Eh? But you know what? I showed him. I gave him back. I showed him what a baby vulture can do. A baby vulture can devour an eagle. See, this life is full of surprises.
Please. He is sorry. I warned him not to embark on this journey. He didn't listen to me. But I beg you, in God's name, forgive him. I promise he won't do it again.
Hey!
You want me to restore his sight?
Yes, Auntie.
Okay, I will do so, but on one condition.
Auntie, please, go ahead and tell us the condition.
The condition is that you will never set your feet in that plantation ever again. That is the condition.
Auntie, what kind of condition is that?
Accepted or not?
It's fine. You accept the condition. You have no other option than to accept this wicked condition.
Wicked or not, have you accepted?
Yes.
Have you?
Yes.
The implication is that you don't go there again. You don't carry this your feet to that place again. If you go there again, whatever you see, you take. Is that clear?
I can't do it.
And I can see.
Hey, move then I walk.
A coward dies many times before his final death. That mood that struck me blind will not make me stop from fighting.
But I'm just telling you, you have to be careful.
Welcome.
Adana. How are you? The Lord has done it again. What is it this time? Your name appeared on the admission list to study nursing. I'm just coming back from school now.
Why is she crying?
Who are you? And what do you want from me, please?
My son, do not be afraid. You a lion heart. Your goodwill brought me to you. I am that woman you gave food in the market when I was hungry. Thank you. Makana, you saved my life. You saved my life. I am the woman in the wood. I have come to save you. My son, the battle before you is fierce. It is bigger than you. But listen, anytime you face any challenge, just call the woman in the wood 3 times and I will appear and help you. Do not be afraid. They said one good turn deserves another. I've come to help you. Let me go home and rest.
Good day, Uncle. Good day.
How may I help you? Don't come here and stand like statue. Huh?
Uncle, please, go through this.
What is it? Is this why you came to disturb my peace? Huh? If she's got admission, what's my business then? Can you find a way to source her school fees? Huh? I'm asking you. School admission you're talking about. I'm not accepting this as my headache.
Uncle, we don't have any other place to go for money.
A way of getting money. Go and pick palm kernels in the bush, break them, go to the market and sell. You see the school fees you're looking for. Yes.
Uncle, unless you want us to go and sell our father's house.
No, the truth is that you don't dare touch that house. It belongs to me. No, I am possessing that property.
Uncle?
Don't ever touch it. Like I said, if you're looking for money, don't touch the house. Go and pick palm kernels, go and sell. You get money for her school fees.
Uncle.
I
don't expect this from you, Uncle.
Who are you talking that to?
We'll swallow all this ridicule. But please, we just need some money for Adam's school fees.
So who told you you can come here to get the money? You can't get the money from me or from the house or from anything left behind by your father. Because I've repossessed all of them.
Uncle, what do you want us to do? This is your niece, Uncle. You owe your brother the duty of taking care of his children. Do you want us to go and live inside the bush, Uncle?
A brother who didn't work hard to bequeath something valuable to the children.
Uncle, please, I beg you, don't insult my father.
Who is insulting?
Don't just insult him.
What I have presented to you is reality.
You killed him. Of course it's obvious you killed him. Greatly took away his palm plantation. And now you are insulting him. I will not take that from you.
Otherwise you know what?
Uncle, it's either you give us the money here and now, or
what happened?
I will take it myself.
You take it yourself? Where is the strength you have to do that?
Hey! How do you?
Auntie, good day.
Good day. Good day. I heard all you people said. Oh, did you get?
Auntie.
Oh, no. It's like you never learnt from your experience.
Hey, before God, I've learned a lot.
No, he has learnt, Auntie.
Please,
If you
Auntie.
had learnt, you wouldn't have come here to talk about the palm plantation.
Oh.
It just proves you're a stubborn grasshopper. Who will one day end up in the belly of the bird.
Hey.
Auntie, please, go ahead and enjoy them. No, we don't even need it. Enjoy it.
Everything.
Oh, even if it's pankane we are eating, we are comfortable, are we not?
Very comfortable.
Go ahead. You okay? Go ahead, please.
It's okay. You don't want to go home?
Yes,
that's not a problem. I will hasten your departure.
Don't forget your admission letter. Your envelope. Take it. Take it.
Okay, Kede Jalumite. Chomafa. Kafasi akwa. Oh, ko na dege. Oh. Great messenger of
The great daughter of Odele.
Hey!
I can hear you.
That is me.
I can see you.
Udena wala.
I
didn't hear me.
Hey.
Ndiala.
Were mi kembe karaka to inu ali kaparaka. Kembe. Were mi kembe karaka to inu ali.
Papa, where are you? Papa, are you here? Papa, are you here, Papa? I'm sure you know what I'm holding, Papa. This is Adana admission letter, Papa. Papa, there is no money for Adana to go to the university. Papa, where are you? Papa, Charlie, Papa, I hope you are seeing what Alaribe and his wife Mudele are doing to Adanaya and I. Papa, you must rise. You must rise from this grave, Papa. Papa, you must surely rise from this grave and fight Mudele and her husband. Papa, you must rise. Rise. Papa, you must hear me today. You must hear me. You must hear me, Papa. You must hear me.
Ijoma, Uchechi, I called this meeting because of what Adana is passing through in the hands of that their Carlos uncle. When the eyes whip, the nose also whip. Ijoma, your father is still the village head. What is he doing about it?
It's my father that is the village head and not me. The issue there is that I don't know if BDK has reported to him. Anyway, I shall find out and persuade my father to summon the elders.
Uchechi, what about you?
Like Ijoma said, I will talk to my father to talk to Ishiezeji.
Well, I am really happy for the positive contribution. Adana will be very, very happy to hear this from you people.
Okay, Chi, what about you?
Yes.
You should also talk to your father so that he can talk sense into Alaribe. Alaribe is his close friend.
You have a point there.
You know Alaribe is a wicked somebody and very, very arrogant. But I'll still talk to my father to try.
Exactly.
Let's go. It's getting late.
Esi no n'ọdịni ịfụnanya ọ bụ chi okike na-enye ya esi n'ụlọ Chukwu nyere ngọzi n'ụwa Chukwu na-enye ya mmadụ afụla ibe ya n'anya n'ụwa chi okike na-enye ya esi n'ụlọ Chukwu nyere ngọzi Ifunanya, 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 Ifunanya. Atane bezina, ate bezina, atane bezina, atagola chukusuje. Iyo sore kwesu hame, atane bezina, chukusanye. Iyo sora ti mutele me, atane mi yo sora la ripe hame. Chi okike na-enye ya ezinụlọ Chukwu nyere ngọzi n'ụwa Chukwu na-enye ya
Stop crying. It's okay.
And marry some other girl. Just to avoid impending death if he stays with me. He asked him to leave the community for 2 months and then come back afterwards to get what he wants.
God forbid.
Brother, is it not Alaribe and the wife that has been killing all my suitors and intend to kill him too?
Yes.
Just because I went and warned him to restore your sight, that you are my brother-in-law.
This whole thing is getting too much. I am no longer enjoying this episode anymore. Look, I think I will go straight to Mazi Ogundo's house and summon all the elders. This is exactly what I'm going to do. I must report them. I must report Alaribe and the Woodley to the elders. Don't stop me. Don't just stop me again. I beg you.
I think that is a good idea.
Obi! Who is that? Who is that person?
Obi.
Why are you just shouting my name like that?
I just saw Ugochukwu on the road. He was busy shouting, his money. And he was even calling your name. Please, did you take any money from him?
And so what?
Obi Zagodi.
And so what?
Did you
I have taken what?
Hey, Obi, no, nah, Obi. Hey, Obi went too far. Obi shouldn't have.
Please. Nandi, please hold it there. Please.
Hey, Obi.
Nandi, listen to me. I have taken it. That money belongs to me. And I have taken what belongs to me.
Obi, no, nah.
Nandi, leave my house.
Obi.
Leave my house. Leave my house. Stupid people. So you are one of the people supporting them, Abi, to take what belongs to me. Imagine how I will punish all of you. God will judge all of you. Let them come and take it. I have taken the money. That money belongs to me.
For how long has this boy been out of the house?
Over 4 hours.
Hey! 4 hours. I need to go and look for him. My gentleman.
Let's sit a little bit.
Eh?
There is rope What have you come to do?
A young prophetess Anne, and I have come to warn you to desist from your evil deeds.
No. Get out of my house. Please, you're not welcome here. The mood in this house does not accommodate the presence of witches and wizards like you.
Who is this soothsayer dressed in a prophet's outfit?
The word of a prophetess springs forth with tongues of fire, consuming all the bones and marrows of witches, wizards, soothsayers. For the power that I carry, no other power surpasses it.
This sounds very funny.
The great moon does not regard a bird like you. A little bird with tiny wings that can't even carry its body.
In the word of mysticism, greater powers surpasses lesser power. The face which you lean on is about to collapse. Repent or you perish.
Hey! Know it now that no powers can stand the fury of the powers of the great Udele, whose powers are unfathomable, controlling the 7 gods of this community. You understand?
From the stems of the earth, I behold a cloud that is opening to consume you and your revered oracle. As for your son, wait, he is about to give you a story which you wish to hear.
That was a bit of an entertainment.
The kind of thing you see in Nollywood.
Yeah, I believe that ordinary Ramadan and we can blow this one away to a good forest. Okay.
Where she belongs. I want to go.
As we were saying, you are a beautiful girl. And I think I like you.
Is that the reason why you called me here, or you are done talking?
Can we be friends? I think I like you.
Please go, I'm not interested.
Now, See my 20 million just waka like that.
Tobena!
Woman, who are you and what are you doing here?
I bring you message.
Who cares about your message?
You are a rising sun, but does wrong business. Why have you allowed yourself to be subjected to internal torture? Desist now that you still have the time. You are on your way to the house of your wife. But consider me your guardian angel, for I have come to stop you from your destruction.
Thanks for your concern. I am Tobena, Tobija the Harvester. No man born of a woman can destroy me. I am the indestructible Toby.
What you boast will destroy you. As a matter of fact, you are already in the palm of he who seeks your life. Desist, I repeat, desist now that you still have the time, for it might be too late.
Thanks once again. Could you please allow me to go now?
The secrets of the spirits are allies to a dying soul. Heed to the word of the prophetess.
Papa, Brian collected the money that he gave to me.
What will he give? How did that happen?
I was got my money back. He dragged me down and collected the money.
I don't believe it.
Ekukumo, mesewe o, okukumo, mesewe o, ajujumo, mesewe o. Great Ikuku, the wonder of the mother heart, I greet you. The one that holds the scepter of life and death, I greet you. Yes. My son, you are welcome.
Thank you, wise one.
Yes. Your uncle's wife is the reason why you are here.
You are very, very correct. She is the reason why I am here. She is my trouble.
And now let me ask you, does the hen allow the hawk to carry its chick?
My son, please, I don't understand you. Please make me to understand.
Now drop 70,000 naira there. I shall give you something. Always remember to put this ring on your hand whenever you have challenges with them. And the moment they want to attack you, touch it and you will disappear.
Oh, great one. Eyes of the gods. I thank you.
Yes.
Thank you so, so much. I am grateful.
Yes, you're welcome.
Thank you.
You can go now.
Oh, thank you.
Ikuku, Ikuku, I greet you.
I am Udene, the granddaughter of the great Udene.
I am Donald. And I like the kind of dog I am. Because I bark and I bite. When I sink my teeth in your flesh, I'll pull them out, chew it, and swallow it, so that you will not have a piece to stitch back. Yes, restore him now, or you face the wrath of the dawn.
Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall and had a great fall. Now will you get your people out of here? Now!
Restore him now!
Immediately. Soon there will be no wings for you to fly.
Let's just get out of here.